Here's another chunky one. It's like the river doesn't want me to leave. So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Hey there everybody, it's Kate from Katie Did Rocks. It's a beautiful fall day. Let's go see what we can find. First step, crossing the big old beaver dam. Well, it's an adventure and a half getting here, but we're here, a little scratched and a little worse for the wear, but we're here. And look, here's the first agate of the day. And just right, very close by, if I can see it again. Nope, I lost it. I just have to pick up some petrified wood instead. Oh, there it is, except for I don't think this is an agate now that I look at it more carefully. Just a glower. Quartz and jasper. This angle of the sun makes it really easy to spot these little things that are hiding in the mud. It's a nice little one. Nice piece of petrified wood. I'll always pick those up. Oh, there's two of them right next to each other. That's kind of neat. This one's smaller. This one's not big, but it's an agate. Here's a pretty one. Isn't that lovely? Not so much on that side. Here's a nice one. I think it's a waterline agate. The rocks on this beach are quite a lot smaller than they were last year. I think it's really interesting how the river deposition changes from year to year. I'm scanning side to side and I almost stepped right over this little beauty. This is a pretty interesting piece of jasper. Looks like a candy corn. Wow, take a look at this jasper. I've been avoiding picking up big, huge honkin' rocks because unless they're an agate or some really remarkable petrified wood, it's just too heavy to carry, but I have to take this one home. Here's a little agate in the sunshine. This is the first one I've found for quite some time, but boy, look at that blue. Here's another one. I'm thinking that maybe that section where I was, somebody just combed over it. And now I'm on a section where maybe it hasn't been hit so hard. This looks interesting. I was just thinking that I hadn't found any kind of really bigger agates. And this one isn't massive, but it certainly is bigger. Let's see if we can get it washed off here. That's gonna be pretty. We'll have to take that one home and wash it. Here's a nice one. It was in the silt. Oh my gosh. I sprayed this off because I thought, no, couldn't be. And maybe it still isn't, but it sure looks like Oh, maybe it's just one of those. Yes, it's one of those green agate imposters. Darn it. Oh well. Wow. I think this is a jasp agate. It's very, very dark, but it sure is pretty. There's another really stunning jasper. Jasp agate, I guess. Isn't that pretty? Here's what I've been looking for. A chunky, I'm almost out of water agate. Oh yeah, that's what I've been looking for. Thanks, River. Here's another chunky one. It's like the river doesn't want me to leave. Oh, nice. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I hiked all the way over there. And here I am right back where almost where I started, and look at this. Oh, that is so cool. Yeah, chunky. Thank you, plus River. Okay, this is just unbelievable. This is not going to squirt because my bottle is sort of empty, but there is another chunker right on my way out. Maybe I should plan to leave always. And another beauty. This one's not quite chunky, but it is pretty. Check this one out. It's a jasper with quartz veins. That's cool. This is a beautiful hunt. I'm going to show you some pictures of some of the small stuff that I picked up because I didn't film picking up everything, and there's some that are worth looking at. So I'll see you back at the house. If you want to share in the treasures, check out my Etsy store, Katie Did Rocks. The link is in the description below. Thanks for coming along, and keep on doing. Whether you're an armchair rockhound or planning to hunt the Yellowstone River, check out my book, So Many Beautiful Rocks. It's in my Etsy store.